Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Fun and All.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Fun and All. I am Kavya and
Queenie, and this is my little sister Kyra. And today we're going to be doing 5 Disneyland and other theme park hacks.
Come on, bobbleheads! Good, now get ready to freeze! And freeze like a T-Rex!
Okay, first and foremost, find the best parking lot option available. You will thank yourself later when you're all drained out.
Also, make sure you know which parking space you're in and take a picture of that. Try to park as close to the front gate as possible.
Friends, huh? Oh.
Timing is very crucial. I highly recommend to go on weekdays and not on weekends to avoid long lines.
No matter when you go, it's still going to be crowded, so make sure you tag your kids along with your contact information.
Having balloons on your child's stroller is also a great way to spot the stroller from distances.
Hack number 4. When you're going to theme parks, make sure to carry a bag full of snacks and juice for your kids to keep them happy.
And your pockets too. Hack number 5. When you're visiting any theme park, don't waste your money on water, but you still need to be hydrated.
The solution to that problem would be to sit down in any walk-in The answer we get some free water. Just walk into... Stop laughing! We walk into... Okay, so this is what we do. We walk in... So what do? We get some free water. Just log into any sit down in a restaurant and grab the largest cup of soda and ask them to fill it up with water for you, and trust me, it will be free. Bonus hack! Okay, just go with the flow and don't push yourself, because you might have plans. What are you doing? You might have plans, but it's never good to push yourself. Keep your energy retained for the end show, which is late hours and is worth it to watch. Don't miss out and don't leave before the show.
The gods have been angered by all the celebrating.
As you can see, we have gathered some beautiful memories from our visit to Disneyland. And we have saved a lot of money and had so much fun.
So you guys probably saw our videos and photos. If you guys like our video, make sure to comment down below if you want more of these videos. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for post notifications. Love you. Bye guys.